Every night, you lose consciousness, your body goes still, your eyes close. But inside your brain, something extraordinary begins. Sleep is not rest, it is a repair. Your body follows an internal clock, the circadian rhythm. As darkness falls, your brain releases melatonin, signaling it's time to sleep. This is the beginning of a powerful transformation. Sleep happens in cycles: light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep. Each stage plays a vital role, restoring your body and mind. While you sleep, your brain cleans itself. A system known as the glymphatic system flushes out toxins, including harmful proteins linked to disease. It's like a nightly reset for your brain. During deep sleep, your body begins repairing itself. Muscles recover, tissues rebuild, and your immune system strengthens. Sleep is essential for memory. Your brain organizes information, strengthens connections, and transforms experience into knowledge. Without sleep, everything begins to break down. Focus declines, emotions become unstable, and long term health risks increase. Sleep deprivation affects your brain, your body, and your life. Quality sleep is one of the most powerful tools for health and longevity. A consistent schedule, a dark environment, and reducing stress can transform how your body heals. Sleep is not lost time. It is where your body recovers, your brain resets, and your life is restored.